Welcome to Traffic. In today's video we are going to make a guessing game in Python. For this we are going to use random function of Python. So first we'll import the random. So we'll write import random as R. Now we have to collect we need some variable to store the number of matches. For that we'll write m equal 0 and we also required to store the score, so s equal it is also 0. Now we'll collect the name of the user equal input, enter your name. After that we need one more variable, that is to continue the game as long as the user want. That will write as c equal 1. At first we'll have c as 1. Now we are going to write a while loop. So we'll write while c equal 1. Through this while loop we are going to continue the game as long as the user wants. Now we are going to generate a random number. Let the random number as be r equal, we will write r dot rand range, and within bracket we'll write from what number to what number we need the number. Suppose I need the number from 1 to 5, so I will write at start 1 comma and 5. Now we have to write a print statement and we'll give the user to hint what to do. So print enter guess the number between 1 to 5. Now we are going to collect the user number, so that number we can keep as n equal, we'll again write int to convert the number into integer. Again input, enter your number, then slash n will accept the input in next line, that's why slash n. Now we will compare both the number whether they are equal or not. So we'll write if random equal x. If it is equal, then we are going to print a message that you own. So print first we'll display the computer number. So computer number will be this one, r, and we will display here again what the user have entered. For that print you entered or you guessed. Here this one is n, and at last I will display whether the user won or lost. So here print you own. And also we have to increase the score, so we'll write as equal as plus 1, or we can give more also. Suppose for winning I am giving 5, so as equal as plus 5. This is for winners. And also we have to count the number of matches. For that, what we can do, just while enter in the loop, that time only will increase the counter, increase the m. So m equal m plus 1. Now we also have to decrease the points and show the user as you lost. For that, we'll copy this if part and we'll go to next line. Here we'll write else. On else, we are going to write the same thing whatever we write in if, but just here we write you lost. Then we'll here deduct the score. So s equal s minus 1 means each time 1 point we are going to deduct. Now at last we'll come, after printing the else part, we will s minus 1. Here we'll again take input so that the user can continue the program. So we'll write c equal int, then input. Here we'll write enter 1 to continue, then slash n, other number to exit. Then we'll again give slash n so that we accept the input in next line. Now after that we will come out from the while loop, means we'll go to the main line. Here we have to display the score, so print, we can display a equal sign pattern, so we can write equal, then multiply 20. It will display the equal sign 20 times, and there we'll write hello, print again, hello, then user, whatever username, that name will appear here. Again print, and here we can display just simple lines, so we can give within quotation underscore, then we can write multiply 20. It will display 20 times, and at last we are going to display the score. So print, this print have to be in small letters, so print within quotation we'll write number of matches, and it will be, the variable is m. What we keep, the variable will be m, and also we have to display the score. So again we'll write print, and within bracket we'll write total score, and we'll come out from the quotation, and here we'll write score is we are keeping as s, so s. Now this is our program. Now let's see whether I have done any mistake or not. For that we'll tap on the play button, asking me to enter the name. So I am writing my name. Now guess a number between 1 to 5. I am guessing 2. There is wrong in line number 11. So let's find out what is the wrong. The number is actually n, but here we are writing x. This is the mistake. We don't have any x variable here. Our number is n. So let's do it again. Name. Now guess a number. I am guessing 2. Here computer number 1, you guess 2, you lost. 1 to continue, other number to exit. So 1. Mistake. The mistake was for random instance we kept as r, and also variable as r, random variable. That was the mistake. Now I am keeping the instance as array and the variable as r. So while r equal array dot random range 1 to 5. Now if you want to write the game name, then enter your name. Before that print we can give some design. So we can write print within bracket equal sign, then we'll come out from the quotation, and here enter into 20, and here again we'll write print, and we'll give quotation 1 space. Here we'll give into 8, then we'll write comma, guess the number. Guess the number should be within quotation because it's not a variable. Then bracket close, and after that again we can give this equal sign. For that print, and here we'll give equal sign, and we'll come out from the quotation, then multiply 30, 20. Now let's see how it looks. So it's look like guess the number, enter your name, writing my name, guess a number. I'm guessing 2. It's coming computer number 1, you guessed 2, you lost. 1 to continue, 1, enter your number. I'm writing now 1 only, you guessed 1, you lost. Again 1, enter your number. I'm guessing now 3. Now computer number is 4, again I have lost. Let's say 4. Now computer number is 3, I am lost again. Now I am writing the number is 3, I have lost again. Now let's do, I have lost. 1 to continue, again 4, I have lost. 3, I have lost. Oh, at last I won. You won. Now let's exit from the game. For exiting we will write any number. So while we exit from the game, it will display us the score like that. Hello, then the username, and total number of matches I played 9, and my total score is -3. Because it's wrong guess, we are getting -1, and it's for correct answer we are getting +5. I think I have did 2 correct answers. Not So this way you can create a guessing number game in Python. You can add your own rules here by using more complex loop statement or if selection statements, or you can give some other logic also to make it better. Even you can use Python game library to make it graphical. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.